Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing a build from Fanhome. It is build 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor gone in 60 seconds, pack 27. So these magazines are great. I really like them. We are doing issue 103. So let's take a look what we need to do. This is how it looks in the packaging. So I'm just going to open that up. Very excited about this. So in this issue, this is what we have, the rear window. So that's it. So we're going to move on to the next issue. So this is issue 104. And you can see this is what we need to do. Just install our rear window. So this is how the packaging looks. It's just a frame. So I'm going to open this up and get this on our car. This is our body for the Eleanor, which I absolutely love. Let's see if we can do maybe... oh, this one maybe. Yeah, let's do that. So what we need to do is we have these two parts. And we have to get this in the right order. So it will only go in one way. So there you go. It fits perfectly like that. Then get our frame and we need to just clip this in. So slowly just push that in, and this will go also. So push the bottom in, and then this will just go like that. And once I get the top in, there we go. Push that one in, push that one in, and that looks absolutely great. So that's now installed. It's starting to take shape, and that is the end of this issue. So let's move on to the next one. So this is issue 105, as you can see just there. So we're going to take a look what we have. It is our roof lining. I guess we could open this up now. Just to take a look. Wow, it has some nice texture on that. I like that. That's absolutely great. So I'm gonna pop this back at the mag. And that is the end of this issue. These issues are pretty fast. So we have issue 106. This is our last issue. So we have quite a lot to do in this issue, not like the previous ones, but it will take shape dramatically at the end of this pack. So we have a nearly complete body. You have doors and quite a lot to do. Wow, look at that center fold. My pin just... I haven't seen that before. Let's just tuck that back in. Not to fall out. I like that. This is the rest of the magazine. And this film gone in 60 seconds was great. It's making me go and watch it again. So that's what we're gonna receive in next month. So quite a lot to do there. So let's get on with the last issue. These are our parts in this issue. I don't really like opening these, but I will do it with yourselves. Let's just see. Nearly there. And let's just carefully open this up. Wow, that looks good. Most of everything is plastic on this issue. I think what we need is this one first. Let's just make sure. Yes, it's this one. So we need our body back. So we have our amazing body back. And let's just see, maybe this view just here. Let's try get that first. So these pins, you can see this one's a bit angled, that one, and also this one. You might need to scrape it down. I did do a test fit and that was very difficult, but once you get that a bit down, then the rest should just clip in place, as you can see. So that one's okay. They just need quite a lot of force, and then that should just push in, which, there we go. That looks great. I like that. So I'm trying to see if it will go more than that. I don't think it will. I think that's the most you can push these. Now what we need to do, we have these parts. Now I would believe that we need this bottom one. Let's just see if that is correct. And this just pushes on. I'm trying to see if any of them have a difference. It has a bit of a lift there, so I would say that, let me just make sure. That's Eleanor facing the wrong way, I think. So let's just get the other one, see if that matters. Yep, I think that should be a bit better. Or are these both the same? So no. Yep, so you can see, hopefully it lifts like that, and you have the lip that will go on the inside. So, and the Eleanor emblem will face you. So that's the easiest way to recognize which one goes where. So let's just get this in its position, just checking how this is being installed. So we just need to line up this pin, and it's carefully just push it in. I don't want to break any of the pins, that's why I'm taking my time. There, I think, I hope. There we go. Perfect. So that's that installed. What we need to do now is flip this over, and we need to do the other side. So now this side, what I've done, scrape down a bit of the paint, because this can be quite tricky to push in. So once we get that, hopefully mine's is scraped enough. Yep, that should be fine. And then these pins hopefully will go in also. The paint is quite thick on these pins, as you can see. That one's a bit tricky now. You have to really try and push it in. And I think we're okay. Let's get that as pushed in as possible. And that's looking absolutely excellent. So I like how that looks. So I tried to adjust this slightly because it was quite difficult to get in. Hopefully this should be a lot better, which it is. There we go. So if yours is a bit difficult to get in, I suggest to... This one's a bit higher. Needs to be properly pressed down. I'm scared that that might do something. But there we go. Now the exciting part. Let's turn this over this way. And let me just see. Oh, is that correct? No? Yeah, we can do it this way. We need to flip over our body like this. So I have our door and I tried to adjust that, but that's really the best I can do. We need to put that just here, and we need with that I believe that's a DS12 screw. It's just one screw, and I'm not sure how this is gonna line up. I think when I done this door, I was very new to these builds, and I think my door is gonna be a bit wobbly. So I always make sure that the bracket is as tight as possible now. But let's see. You never know. Get that tight. I'm not sure how tight. Let's see. That's not too bad. Okay. We have our other door. So you need to just bend this as far as possible. And I need another DS screw. I think there's one here. It popped out. This needs to be turned that way so I could gain access. I think I'm gonna take that camera off now. Okay, I did manage to get this turned around, the bracket. As you can see, it's in its right position now. Goodness me. I probably will try and adjust this door too, but oops. Once you line this up, trying to do that now. Where's what? One more. The other side always more difficult than one. So there we go. I'm going to try and see if I could lock this door. There we go. And I think that will be a lot more smarter. And then screw it in. But that's absolutely fine now. And making that as tight as possible. There we go. Let's just close this back up. And that brings us to the end of this issue. Which, wow, this actually fitted very well. So let's just see. Yeah, this side's really good. With this though, they are like a plastic frame, it's not metal. So you kind of have to bend that in to close the door. So I'm not that happy about that, but it does look good. So with that, it brings us to the end of this issue. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you could do us a massive favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would help us a lot. Look forward to seeing you all next time. That's goodbye for now.